don't take it too personally. Everyone has their likes and dislikes. We're all different people for a reason. Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I saw Samantha March do this video a couple months ago, so I'm doing it here today. I've been actually meaning to do this for literally a long time, but I'm finally getting around to doing it, so we're doing it today. So today I'm going to be talking about the videos I love and the videos I hate. Now it seems kind of negative, but you know, the love does balance out the hate, so we're all good with that. But I decided that I would talk about just videos I love and hate, just so you can know my video style and what I love and stuff like that. So yeah, I actually have a lot more loves than I do hates, so the love will definitely outweigh the hate for sure. And I don't hate like people that make these videos, of course, like why would I? I'm not like a fan of these, so I guess it's like more like videos I love that I am a fan of, and videos I'm not necessarily a fan of. So yeah, let's just get right into it because I don't want to ramble for too long. Okay, so the first one I love, and these are videos I watch every day, and that is vlogs. I freaking love vlogs. My favorite vloggers are KK and Baby J, Edelyn Morin, like her vlog channel is amazing. I love Okay Baby, Jess Fam, just so many creators that I love, and vlogs are my favorite videos to watch because they are so personal. You can see into somebody's life and you can just see their everyday, and you can kind of like, I guess, like almost live vicariously through them. Like you can almost like just see their life and see personal. I love montages and I just love the style of vlogs. I love making vlogs myself. I do have a vlog channel. I will link it down below. Actually, it's always linked about down below, so go subscribe if you haven't already. Shameless self promo. And yeah, I love vlogs. They're just so great and personal and montages, and they're different than just a sit down video or even like just a tutorial or anything like that. So I love vlogs. Another video I love, which I know not a lot of people do, are first impressions. I love seeing somebody's first reaction to something like a product and stuff like that. I love those videos. I know some people don't like them because it's like obviously your mind can change after that video, but I know that does happen. It happens for me, and that's why I think an update video for those videos is also great. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that also very soon, where I update you on foundations I previously have tried. So yeah, but I do like first impressions because I love seeing people's first reactions, and it kind of gives you an insight on it and everything, and I love it. Also, I love chatty get ready me's and stuff that have like tutorials in it with it, so it can be like a chatty tutorial or a chatty get ready me. It doesn't have to be like somebody talking about the products like instantly or all the time, but I do love chatty get ready me's because it just gives you like a different, like, I guess, view on something. Like, I don't know, like you can hear somebody talk about their life, but you also see them get ready, and it seems so personal because you could be getting ready with me when I get ready, and I could be getting ready with you when you're getting ready. You know what I mean? Like watching those videos, I could be watching, I don't know, Casey Holmes, and she could be getting ready, and I can set her up like on my like makeup stand or whatever and get ready while she's getting ready, if you know what I mean. Like it's just, I love those videos. So next one that I love is try on makeup hauls. I really try on makeup hauls, I guess, so I could see how something is while it's hauled at the same time. It's like somebody hauling something, but they're also showing it to you, so you see how it like applies and stuff like that. And I just feel like for like shopping purposes, it's better because you can be like, would I like that based on how they applied it? Like, would I like it? I don't know. But I feel like I just love that and stuff like that. I think they're great videos, and I've done one on my channel before, so I'll link it down below if I can find it. And yeah, I love that. It's just, I don't know, it's also another personal touch. It's like 2 videos in one, I guess. So another video I love is just chatty videos. Like I know Kathleen likes just random rambles. I love very chatty videos where somebody's just talking, sitting down. It's not necessarily professionally edited, it's just edited normal. Even like edited to make it look like it wasn't edited. I love those kind of videos, and I just think they're so fun, and it's just very personal again, which I love. So next, I love videos that have stories behind them. And I wrote this a while ago, so I don't even know what I was talking about when I wrote this, but I just like videos that I guess could be like a montage or something. Like they could be somebody talking about a story, but they're showing you clips overlaying it, I think is what I meant. I really like videos that have more to them, I guess, that have really, you can see the thought in them. Like Monica Church's vlogs, that's why I always loved her vlogs. I still love her vlogs, but I just haven't watched them in a while. But I like hers because they always have like a theme to them and a story behind them. So I guess that's why I like vlogs, because every vlogger's story is different. So now routines, I actually been loving the real routines, which I think I'm gonna have a video like that up very soon. If it's not up already, I will have it either in a card or linked down below. But I love routines, and I love the real routines because it's not staged. I do like the routines where they are staged and you kind of just see somebody go throughout the day. But the real ones are just so personal, and they're like, oh, this is what I really do. It's not staged. But honestly, I actually do everything that I do in my routine, so even if it is staged, I still do it, you know what I mean? But those ones are more personal and more about vlog style, so that's why I love those. videos. I also love favorites videos. These are always been a favorite of mine since like been watching YouTube, and not even just since I've been filming videos, but since I've been watching YouTube, those have always been my favorite. I love finding out people's favorite products and just finding out different things and stuff like that. It's kind of a thing of mine and I really like it. I just think it's fun to find out other people's favorites. They can become your own, and yeah, and honestly, pre-YouTube I used to post my favorites on Tumblr. Flashback to that was crazy. Okay, so now on to the very few videos I hate. First ones, I do watch them occasionally and I don't hate them all the time, but sometimes I really do, are prank videos. I really hate prank videos because they're just like so annoying and immature, and I do like some of them. Some of them I do find funny, but some of them are just like insane. Like the ones that really get me are the ones where people like fake an overdose or fake this or fake that. That is so, it gets to me because that actually happens like to people. Like taking a real issue and making a prank video about it is not funny. So I think that's why I hate them and stuff. I don't know, I just hate them. I think they're annoying. And yes, I've seen the ones where it's like, the ones that aren't that bad are the ones where somebody's like, oh, I'm pregnant, and they're not pregnant. Or like the ones where people are like, I don't know, like any prank video can be seen as offensive, but the ones that aren't that bad are like just the regular prank videos. But honestly, I hate prank videos in general, so yeah, that's a no. Also, I don't hate these, but I did one recently and I really liked it, but they're not ones I actually sit down and watch a lot. Like the videos I film sometimes aren't the ones that I watch. Like I film beauty videos, but I actually watch vlogs way more than I watch a beauty video. So yeah, this is clothing hauls. I don't really love clothing hauls. I don't really like watching clothing hauls. I watch them here and there, but it's not like my go-to choice of video. Like it's not like what I choose to listen to or watch, is what I mean, all the time. So yeah, I don't really like those, and I just find them boring. If it's a try on, I like it more, but I'm not really into them. Some clothing hauls are just so long. If people made them like 10 to 15 minutes, I would watch them more, but some of them are just so long. So the last one is drama videos. I hate drama videos, like the ones that are like Jackson Hill scandal, blah blah blah, trying to figure out her life. Like who cares? And it's just annoying that people really take out their time in the day to post just negative content about somebody. Like it's their life, let them live their life. Don't be making drama videos about them. Do you really want to waste your time in life when you could be doing something way more uplifting? I know some of them are just trying to tell people and report on a subject, but that's what the news YouTube channels are for. Why do you need to do that? It's weird that like drama channels have more subscribers than people that actually do, like, and not to say drama channels, that's not real content, but to me, I don't really see that as real content. It's sad that people that work hard and make, you know, vlogs or beauty videos don't make as much views as somebody does a drama channel, because people love that tea, and I've seen a few drama videos, but I'm not really into it, you know what I mean? I don't know. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the videos I love and the videos I hate type video. Take hate very lightly. It's more like videos I just don't like watching, more like that's kind of what we're doing today. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any videos you like and any videos you don't like. Let me know that down below. I'd love to hear about it and stuff like that. And if I mention a video you don't like, don't take it too personally. Everyone has their likes and dislikes. We're all different people for a reason. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every single week, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and all that kind of fun stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.